Tired of manually transferring products between Printify and Shopify? First, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for the Printify app. It's the official one with the Printify logo. Click Install to add Printify to your Shopify store. You'll need to grant Printify the necessary permissions to access your Shopify data. This is how Printify can communicate with your store. If you don't already have a Printify account, create one. If you do, simply connect your existing Printify account to Shopify. Now, browse the Printify catalog and choose the products you want to sell. Select your preferred print provider, keeping an eye on shipping times and costs. Customize your product with your unique designs. Ensure you're using high-resolution images for the best print quality. Preview the final product to make sure it looks exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with your design, click the Publish to Shopify button. Printify will automatically create a product listing in your Shopify store, including images, descriptions, and pricing. Check your Shopify product page to confirm that the product has been successfully transferred. You can edit the product description, pricing, and other details directly in Shopify if you need to. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Printify automatically receives the order and sends it to your chosen print provider for fulfillment. You don't have to lift a finger. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Printify with Shopify. Now you can focus on marketing and growing your print business.